Hey Facebook, it's not flood cam, it's trike cam. Snowing in Dumfries. Get across the road safely. Oh. Yeah, fair bit of snow this morning. Started dropping about 7:10. I cycled in just before the snow got into Dumfries. It's a couple of centimetres maybe. Definitely slippy underfoot. I'll get some salt in front of Frothy later on this morning. I see somebody's attempted the first White Sands snowman so far, but yeah. Not checked the weather as much as I usually do for this kind of thing. But it should be good. Morning. Car park's getting a little bit slushy underfoot. Pretty sweet. Not had snow like this in Dumfries for a while, I don't think anyway. Not last year. But yeah. A little bit slushy underfoot. Roads are still clear. Don't know how far this is. It started snowing this morning in Thornhill about 6 o'clock. Light, I know it's heavier there now. And now we've got extra heavy in Dumfries. Every car's got snow in the bonnet. Should be a nice Sunday. We're open 9 till 3. Pastries are in the oven as we speak. Coffee machine's already on and prepped. It's getting that crunch noise underfoot. It's quite nice. The trike is not easy. But yeah. One-handed trike manoeuvre. Will it fit? Nah, we're backing up, Okay, we're off again. It's not an easy thing to move about. It's got one gear, it weighs an awful lot. But get out, enjoy your day folks. It's going to be a good one at Frothy. I might even put the heaters on.